Let me show you how to inflate and also deflate your airbed mattress using this type of electrical pump. When you get your pump, you're also getting inside the box 3 of these adapters. And for the air mattress, we either have to use this one or this one, depending on the manufacturer of your mattress. So simply see which one fits. And then as you see, you have two basically output ports for this pump over here. So this over here is for inflating things, and this one is for deflating things. So first, if you want to inflate, we are going to use this. So you see, I'm simply going to take, for example, this one and simply push it on like this, so it's secure. And you see you have the on-off switch here. And next, on your mattress, simply find where you have your plug and open it up. So this is what mine looks like. So I'm simply going to insert basically this tool inside here, and using the on-off button, turn it on simply. So you see I have inserted inside, and I will turn it on. And I see it's starting to inflate. And next, if you want to deflate it, we have to actually use this attachment on this port over here. So you see I'm going to attach over here. And next, on my mattress, I'm simply going to pull this plug out. You see it's already kind of deflating itself, but we are simply going to insert this inside here. Okay, once inside, simply turn it on and it will help deflate it. As you see, it deflated it absolutely perfectly, so it can be now stored very easily. It took around 1 minute to fully inflate it and around 30 seconds to deflate it. If this helps, you know what to do. Good luck.